Hey guys, welcome back to another CV Linens video. My name is Myra. Today I'm going to show you how you can fold and store your rectangular tablecloths. That way they can last you longer. So let's go ahead and get started. Hold up the tablecloth by two corners of one of the long sides so it hangs lengthwise in front of you. Fold it in half, bringing one side of the tablecloth to the other. Continue to fold in half again until you've created a long, narrow rectangle. Now fold the tablecloth in half crosswise, allowing the top edge of the long narrow rectangle to drop down to the bottom edge. Lastly, fold crosswise once more, then store your tablecloth into a storage bin. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this video. I know that this video has helped you. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us. Keep letting us know what videos you would like to see next, and don't forget to stop by our social platforms to gain some more inspiration on how you can set up for your next event, and also see any videos that we may have on any tips and tricks for you guys. Thank you so much again. We'll see you in the next one.